And KKR have won. KKR have won. How happy are you guys? Boss, KKR जीत गया भाई.
बहुत हैप्पी है हम लोग.
Yeah?
हाँ बहुत हैप्पी.
खुश देखो, जंप करो मेरे साथ.
ठीक है ठीक है.
Quickly from you, do you think KKR will win the IPL?
Maybe I hope so because they've been doing really well the whole league, and I hope they do it even in the finals. And when they get it, because they've done a good job now, they deserve it.
Yeah, absolutely. You guys have the Q next to your name. You guys qualified for the playoffs. The first team to do that this year.
Yeah.
They qualify for the final.
Did you expect that? Be honest with me.
Of course I did. I mean, I support MI, but they played really well this year. So yeah.
You support who?
Yeah, can't you see blue?
Mumbai.
But one second, why do you support Mumbai?
Because of Hardik Pandya. He has deserved a lot of hate, and I don't think so he should deserve this much hate.
और आज का मैच तो बहुत ही इंटेंस था. लास्ट ओवर में तिलक वर्मा जैसे मार रहे थे, लगा कि मुंबई के हाथ में मैच था, लेकिन वो अनफॉर्चुनेटली आउट हो गए, तो थोड़ा तो दुख लगा उनके लिए.
I'm extremely happy. There is no words. We have defeated Mumbai in Kolkata and we have defeated them in Bankere also. This is the best thing.
How happy are you?
Very, 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 very happy.
Yeah. Were you guys scared around 6:37 when the thunderstorm was happening?
I was worried about Mumbai Indians having the target in mind, because if you're batting second on a day when there's a rainfall, right, you know what the target is. And Mumbai Indians having a batting lineup of 7 to 8 batsmen. It was tough, very tough.
Because we actually thought the match was not going to happen, and then it was like maybe 5 overs. That's what everyone said if it continues.
What's been so great about KKR this year? Is it because of Gambhir or Narain or Russell or Iyer's captaincy?
It's whole team effort that KKR is doing so good.
Now that they've made the top 4, do you think they can go and win it and win their third IPL?
I think the finals would be KKR against RR.
So now who do you want to face in that top 2 battle?
Definitely not RR, but anyone else, we can face them. Full confidence on GG, full confidence on Shreyas Iyer, full confidence on Sunil Narine.
Wave the flag.
Oh, yes.
वो तो गलती तो कैप्टन का है, हार्दिक का.
पूरा सीजन चला गया.
चूज किया कैप्टन गलत है.
Because you know, it's the legacy of Mumbai. Rohit, he has built that thing. Someone coming and taking that, I don't think it's right. See, I personally don't feel that's right. Hardik, see, I think he would have gained a lot more respect if he didn't choose for this captaincy thing.
हार्दिक में प्रॉब्लम है ईगो,
घमंड.
टीम को सही तरह से नहीं चला पा रहा है.
A captain is only as good as the team.
If you were an MI fan, would you be disappointed with someone like Hardik Pandya?
So it wouldn't be the case. I mean, each and every team has changes. 2011 we got in Gambhir instead of Saurav Ganguly, and the rest is history. So yeah.
He plays for India. He has done so much for India. Now you're just blaming him just because he's become the captain.
मुंबई का इतना दिन पहले 5 मैच हार जाता हर साल, फिर वो फाइनल में जाता है, कब लेता है. इस साल देखिए जितना हारते ही जा रहा है. कैप्टन का कोई एक मैच में रन दिखाओ, उसका कोई बॉलिंग अच्छा दिखाओ, कुछ नहीं है.
KKR MI बाला बाशो मैच कैसे रहो?
तुम्हें हिंदी आती है? Not bad.
KKR. हाँ बहुत अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा. और IPL अभी जीतबो?
तुम्हें हिंदी आती है? Not bad.
Yes.
जीतबो. और तूफान नहीं तूफान है.
तुम्हें हिंदी आती है? Not bad.
Yes.
Nice.
बस मुझे और हिंदी नहीं आती.
Now with the World Cup looming large, do you think that that's something that India should worry about?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That Rohit is getting retired.
एक बात बोलूं, IPL में रोहित शर्मा वो 0 पे आउट होगा तब भी खुशी हूँ, लेकिन इंडिया के लिए हर बार रन बनाएगा वो एक रोहित शर्मा.
Come on, you're saying he doesn't lack it.
He doesn't lack.
So why do you think his form has been bad?
I'm saying I personally think you all will see the results in the T20 World Cup.
Basically, Rohit Sharma, when he's in Indian jersey, is in another form. His past record of T20 is not so good, we know, from last few years.
From 2014, he has not performed in any of the World Cup games. 2014, he is the average of 17. 2000 after that year, 2016 or 18, he has the average of 19.
Yeah.
Rohit hasn't proved in World Cup yet also. But we will keep faith in Rohit Sharma as he is our captain. But I think he has to show the intent.
वो थोड़ा हिट की तरफ जा रहे हैं. वो बॉल की लाइन नहीं देख रहे.
वो हिटमैन है ना, इसलिए.
वो बहुत ज्यादा हिट करना चाहते हैं.
हाँ, हिटमैन है इसलिए ना.
हाँ हिटमैन इसलिए
हमारा ईडन गार्डन में आने का एक ही मकसद था, रोहित।
गार्डन में कोई घूमेगा तो
गार्डन में तो ईडन गार्डन है ना।
मैंने ये जर्सी है सिर्फ रोहित के लिए और मुंबई के लिए भी नहीं, रोहित के लिए।
हाँ, बिल्कुल।
आई हेट मुंबई इंडियंस।
SRK या KKR कौन बड़ा है?
हम लोग का SR के बड़ा है।
SR
के बड़ा है।
मैं बन जाऊं सबसे बड़ा।
KKR, of course, qualifying for the playoffs. So now, do you guys think they can win the IPL?
Yeah!
Who's your man of the match?
For me it will be Varun Chakravarti.
Andrew Russell,
Andy Russell.
no doubt.
Why?
He took 3 crucial wickets and also the runs he scored at the death.
Subscribe to cricket.com.
Cricket, cricket.